everyone. In our last video, we discovered what is AI, artificial intelligence, a machine that is made smart by humans. But do every machine we use have AI? Let's find out. Today, we are going to learn a difference between regular machines and AI machines. Are you ready? Let's go. First, let's talk about regular machines, the machines we use every single day. Look around your house. Can you spot some machines? Maybe you see a toaster, a fan, a washing machine, or a door. Yes, even a simple door is the machine. Think about a tube light. What does it do? If you press on button, it switches on, and if you press off, it switches off. Does it think? No, right? So it just follows instructions. Regular machines are like following a recipe. When you bake cookies with the recipe, you do exactly what a recipe says. Add 3 cup of flours, mix it for 3 minutes and bake it for 10 minutes. You do exactly what it says and follow same instruction every single time, right? Some more examples. A fan, it spins every single time when you switch on the button. A calculator, when you press 2 plus 2, it always gives the answer 4. So regular machines follow instructions. They are super helpful, but they can't learn or make decisions. Let's talk about AI machines, the smart ones that can learn. AI machines are special because they can learn from experience, understand us, make decisions, and even get better over time. Let me give you three awesome examples of AI machines. First, smart speakers like Alexa or Google Home. When you first talk to Alexa, it might not understand your voice perfectly, but more you talk to it, it starts understanding you. It starts learning your voice perfectly. It even understand what kind of music you like and start learning what kind of questions you ask. That's learning. Second is Google Photos. What does it do? It groups the photos on the basis of your face. That is cool, right? Yes. It uses face recognition and groups the photo on the basis of face. Third is robot vacuum cleaner. When you use it for the first time, it bumps into the furniture. But after a few days, it learns where the furniture is, where are the stairs, and even make a mental map. Then it doesn't bump into the furniture and even find a fastest way to clean your house. These AI machine can handle situations, learn, and figure things out. We have understood what is regular machine and what is AI machine. Now let's compare them both. Regular machine follows instructions. AI machines sometimes work without instructions. Regular machine doesn't understand anything. AI machine understand voice, pattern, and pictures. Machine doesn't learn, but AI machine change based on learning. Regular machine work same every time. AI machine improve over time. Regular machine doesn't think, but AI machines suggest, predict, and recommend. Example of a regular machine, a light switch on or off, that's it. And AI machine, a smart light that learns when you like it bright or dim. Here's another way to think about it. A regular watch only shows you time. That's all it does. But a smart watch with AI can track your steps, learn your sleep schedule, remind you to move, and even predict at what time you should go to bed. So, a regular watch follows instruction, but a smart watch learns about you. Now, here's something very important. Both regular machine and AI machines are super valuable. You don't need AI machines for everything. Sometimes regular machine is all what you need. You don't need a smart toaster that can think what kind of toast you like or predict when you're hungry. A simple toaster works fine. But for things like helping doctor finding disease faster or helping cars drive safely, that's where AI shines. A regular machine makes our work easier and AI machine make things smarter. Together, they help us in so many ways. Before ending, I have an exciting challenge for you. Look around your house and find me three regular machines and imagine what they would be like if they had AI in them. What would a smart door do? Or what would a smart refrigerator do? Share your ideas in comment. Thank you for watching. If you learned something exciting today, please like and subscribe for more awesome learning.